a person, palaces now, recently, we visited one palace of Sultan Abdul Majid. Beautiful palace, mashallah. The ceilings are designed, and the walls are well decorated, and it was done 200-300 years ago. But till now, the shine is still there. People are visiting. So as soon as I entered, the ayat came to my mind. وَتِلْكَ مَسَاكِنُهُمْ لَمْ تُسْكَمْ مِنْ بَعْدِهِمْ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا. That they made such huge, buildings and palaces and fancy places. لَمْ تُسْكَمْ مِنْ بَعْدِهِمْ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا. But they only lived in there for a little while. After that, no one is there to live. It's just become a piece of art that people will just look and admire. And sometimes not even that, sometimes it becomes ruins. People just walk by, go now here to every park and see. And you'll see some ruins. People will be just a few walls that are standing, and that's it. The people have moved on. One king of Spain, he built, a Muslim king, he built a palace for 25 years. 25 years, I think it's the Al-Hamra palace. It took him 25 years to build it. And how long he stayed in there? He stayed in there less than 2 years. And then afterwards his heirs took over. 25 years to build the palace, and lived in there only for 2 years. So this is dunya. That is why the hadith says, Al-Qayyisu man dana nafsahu wa amila lima ba'd al-mawt, wal-ajizu man atba'a nafsahu hawaha wa tamanna ala Allahi al-amani. That who is an intelligent person? Intelligent person is not someone who just delved himself in the dunya and forgotten about akhirat. وَعَمِلَ لِمَا بَعْدَ الْمَوْتِ. He's prepared his akhirat before he left this world. And when he had prepared his akhirat before he left this world, then we know that this is an intelligent person. وَالْعَاجِزُ مَنْ أَتْبَعَ نَفْسَهُ وَهَوَاهَا وَتَمَنَّى عَلَى اللَّهِ الْأَمَانِ. An ajiz, a person who has a total loser, is who has followed his desires, didn't worry about his akhirat, didn't worry about, reaping the rewards of akhirat. وَتَمَنَّى عَلَى اللَّهِ الْأَمَانِ. And he kept, saying Allah is Ghafur Rahim. وَتَمَنَّى عَلَى اللَّهِ الْأَمَانِ. So you do what you want, and then you say Allah is Ghafur Rahim. Again you do what you want, Allah is Ghafur Rahim. Yes, Allah is definitely Ghafur Rahim, but Allah also wants you to do what He wants.